think he did. 53% of the vote, a little more than half, going for Kamala Harris. And this is a group that certainly she has gone after. She was talking about how Gen Z is impatient for change. The baton is in our hands. She's talking multiple times about a new way forward.
Well, across this country in terms of politics, he has been one of the leaders against Donald Trump in several issues, and he feels like any time Donald Trump invokes his name negatively, that actually bodes well for him and his campaign. He's also been spending a tremendous amount of his own political capital helping other races in other battleground states, as well as down ballot races here in California in particular.
Extreme temperatures. Yeah, that's exactly right. So you can notice, guys, everyone notice his authentic spatula claw. Why didn't you remove the spatula claw?
Yeah, no, that's not just any spatula. That's an intergalactic